In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 330 by 5 using the long division method. See that 3 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 33. We know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get 3. Now again see that this 3 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. We know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 330 divided by 5 is equal to 66. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.